So we say that any kind of experience which you're getting through your landscape design has to be multisensorial.
Correct.
Okay, can you bring that
It cannot be only
it cannot be
visual or
only visual.
aesthetical.
So can you bring these multisensorial experiences, even tactile for that matter,
Hmm.
where it is possible, and sound plays an important role. So if you want to enrich it with certain sounds which are naturally happening by creating habitats. So right now there's a crow who is
Yeah.
we can hear the crow of the sound here
Correct.
from the studio. So those kind of experiences can be created.
Hmm.
Okay, and they are not like they're very dynamic. So at some time they might happen, sometime they might not happen. So the best thing for this to start for them is to learn to observe,
Hmm.
which they have lost.
Right.
Right, so that is something which they need to observe in their surroundings to recreate those kind of experiences.